Good afternoon, everyone. What you can see on the screen are Skype, Twitter, WeChat, Line, WhatsApp, and Viber Messenger, KakaoTalk, Yahoo Messenger rather, KakaoTalk, and Viber, and etc. Those are some examples of a social messaging apps. This afternoon, allow me to discuss one of the popular messaging app in China, which is the WeChat. But before we would dig deeper into our discussion, let's have first an overview of the presentation. First is we have the introduction to WeChat, short history of WeChat, its features and conclusion. So what is WeChat? First and foremost, WeChat is one of China's most popular messaging and social media apps. It was owned and developed by Tencent Holdings Limited or Tencent. It is one of Asia's largest companies market cap. So Tencent is a Chinese multinational technology conglomerate holding company. WeChat is compatible in your Android, iOS, macOS, and Windows. Now let's proceed to the history of WeChat. WeChat was launched and quietly begun on January 21, 2011 by Tencent Holdings Limited, as what I have said earlier, with 780 million active users at the start of the year. So the app before was called Weixin in Chinese since there was no English name yet. So at the beginning, it is called Weixin and not WeChat. On March 2012, about 14 months after launching, WeChat hit a major milestone when Tencent reported it had 100 million registered users. And on April 2012, after a year of calling the app Wixen, it has now become WeChat. And later that month, WeChat's version 4.0 update added in the Thai, Vietnamese, Indonesian, and Portuguese languages. Furthermore, on January 2013, the app had reached 300 million registered users. And on March 2015, WeChat revealed it ended 2014 with 500 million users per month or 500 or half a billion users each month. And after a year, WeChat revealed newest figure with 700 users million active users each month. And in the year 2017, WeChat sets a new record, sending 38 billion messages per day, and that's 25% more than last year. And it has reached 980 million monthly users. And according to ZDNet, which is a business technology news website, WeChat's overall performance in the year 2018 was 45 billion messages were sent on a daily basis on the platform, while 410 million audio and video calls were made every day. Again, 45 billion messages were sent on a daily basis, and 410 million audio and video calls were made every day. And in the year 2019, which is last year, WeChat reported reaching 1 billion daily active users. Again, 1 billion daily active users. Now we have the features of WeChat. First is what are the similarities of WeChat into other messaging apps. So first, it is a multi-platform messaging which is compatible in Android, iOS, macOS, and Windows, as what I have said earlier. It requires a phone number in order to set up an account. Through WeChat, you can message your friends via text, voice recording. You can have an audio or video calls. You can send pictures, videos. You can share your location, and you can send all types of files. An example given would be GIFs, stickers, and etc. Also, WeChat is a free app which can be downloaded via App and Google Play stores. So in China, WeChat is used daily by Chinese users for buying goods and services, transferring money, planning holidays, contacting customer support, marketing purposes, and a lot more. And by the end of 2018, WeChat released a major update that changed the look of the interface and introduced additional features. And so many of these features have been designed for individual users, but there is also much available for companies. So later on, we will discuss some features that is available for the companies. So first is we have the exclusive features of WeChat. So we have the payment platform. So under the payment platform, we have the e-wallet, mobile top up, and utilities. So under utilities, you can pay your bills. Although this feature may require a bit of extra time in setting up if you are a first timer, but however, once you are done setting up, because you must enter some personal details to activate the service, and once you are done, you can use WeChat to pay your water, electricity bill, heat, phone, and internet bills. Next is the web WeChat. I think masabtan ra. The third one would be the WeChat search engine. So in this feature in WeChat, mm, this was introduced by Tencent to explore content within the social network. So meaning WeChat search engine doesn't find content of the web, but only searches within WeChat. So WeChat ra jud siya. And this feature, you can use the search engine function to explore moments in your contacts, articles on specific topics, or to discover other WeChat official accounts. So WeChat official accounts is good for those who are having their companies. Next is the public services. WeChat allows you to have a quick access to public services like the weather forecast, traffic status, making reservations, and also in here you can pay your public utility fees. You can transfer money directly to your friends and book appointments or services like food delivery, dry cleaning, salon, and etc. The fifth one would be movie tickets. So in here, it helps you organize with your leisure time instead of going to the movie house. Instead of avoiding the line at the box office, you can use the app to book and pay for your ticket. And lastly, we have the booking. So In this feature of WeChat, it allows you to find the best ticket for your next trip, and also it is less hassle and stress free kay dili naka no need na ka moadto og ticketing services office. And with this feature, it explores different travel combinations, and then you can book and pay for the ticket you need. All Under bookings, you can book a taxi instead of installing the Grab app or the and other app that includes bookings, etc. So in here, you can also book a taxi, and you don't need to worry about having cash with you, since you can pay the taxi serviceman using our app, which is the WeChat. Also, you can book and pay for trains and accommodation. You can hail and pay for cabs and ride sharing services. So imagine for a second that you have Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype, or Yelp, or Grab Food and Car, PayPal, all your game apps, transit passes, and more, all within one app. And with that exclusive features mentioned above, WeChat is the all-in-one app. Previously, we can only use WeChat for text messaging, creating voice clips, and sending photos. But now it forms the basis of your daily digital life. WeChat is the ecosystem for media, online shops, and it includes instant messaging, your official account, many programs, many games, and corporate WeChat, and those are the features of WeChat for companies. Also, WeChat has transformed into an app where you can do everything from payments to hailing a ride or even booking flights, as what I have said a while ago. So now let's proceed to the features of WeChat for companies. First is WeChat official account. Given the opportunity and popularity of WeChat and its many features, this social network has become an essential marketing tool for companies who want to have a business or who want to enter. And with these features, it offers several channels to advertise your products and services, enlarge your customer base, and even sell directly on WeChat. So the WeChat official account, if you want to promote your business, you must open a WeChat official account. So this official account grants companies the opportunity to get in touch with customers and promote their brand on the platform. Next, we have the WeChat mini programs. This is an app that runs within the WeChat ecosystem. So WeChat ra jud siya. The third one would be the WeChat Work. So WeChat Work is designed for internal communication and to connect corporate organizations. So it comes with enhanced features that you can use to improve the efficiency and productivity of your organization. For instance, WeChat Work can track the working time of employees, so you can trace their working time. So here in WeChat Work, handle emails, manage phone calls to be automatically billed to the company. So direct lang siya, send announcements, and so on. And the last one would be the WeChat CRM, or the client relationship management. So this feature of WeChat makes it easy for the company to stay connected to the customers, and this allows you to collect information about your customers, tracking their behavior on the platform. And also, it offers instant support on the social network and monitor when they talk about your brand or leave a feedback. And now we have the conclusion. WeChat app is very nice and unique app in mobile application. It has many advantages and features if you install and use application. And to sum it up, WeChat is a comfortable app and a user friendly. With WeChat, it can make your life easier and better. So here in WeChat, you can get your own QR code for the app or the master code. And with that master code, you can directly scan the code and it's easier for you to add new friends because by scanning the code, you can automatically become by scanning the code by scanning the code they can directly or automatically become your new friend. That's all. I hope you have learned something from my presentation. Thank you and have a good day.